Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: game updated, Asayan character ready, and basic melee kit equipped. Once you have that, head to Canton City and complete the early story missions that unlock parallel quests. Make sure to pick quests that reward Z power and race transformations. This speeds the process. You'll also want to farm TP medals and collecting needed Z souls right away. After those quick steps, you'll be set to pursue the beast transformation path without detours. Now you move into the complex portion: targeted questing and resource conversion. You must farm specific parallel quests that drop the Z power and Z souls tied to beast form. Repeat them on harder difficulty for better drop rates. Once done, convert Z power into the transformation unlock at the appropriate NPC or menu. Make sure to meet stat thresholds and equip any required items. If a PQ is too hard, invite a mentor or join co-op to speed clears and guarantee drops, then return to finalize the unlock. To finish, open your character menu and apply the unlocked beast form. This consumes the required Z power/soul combination. Test it in a safe area or low-level mission to confirm new moves and stat boosts. If the form fails to appear, first restart the game and recheck requirements. Sometimes a cached state prevents recognition. If issues persist, verify game files or reinstall any DLC, then refarm the necessary PQs on higher difficulties. One reliable tip:
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.